Why did you say it's luck?
Because my English is not that good. You see,
Okay.
it could be anywhere, but it was you. So how are the
Don't you think it's
chances for that?
don't you think it's a bad luck? Okay.
Still luck. Still luck.
Okay, where are you from?
From Vienna.
Oh, I just come from Vienna.
Yeah.
I mean the first time I came to Europe, Vienna, and then Paris, and then here. Yeah. My name is Brie.
Really?
Yeah, or RV actually.
RV.
I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Is it okay if I show you in my YouTube?
No.
I'm a YouTube.
I don't care.
I'm a YouTuber. You don't have to care. I'll just turn the camera and then you'll be seen.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name?
Cat.
Kat.
Cat. Yes.
Okay. You know what, guys? Look what happened to me. I got poop on, and then Kat is telling me that I'm lucky because of that.
Kind of luck.
Like I'm blessed to have it. I don't want this kind of blessing. To me, this is not luck. This is bad luck. Like a stinky luck. Oh boy. Now I'm having a problem of where to get a puppy toilet paper so that they can wipe it off. What kind of very good welcome to me, Barcelona.
Oh, it's your first day?
Yeah, it's my first day. Look at me. I have not even checked in yet to my hostel. Wow, what a welcome surprise, Barcelona. Oh, this is how they welcome you here. Where is the bird? Where's the bird? Oh my gosh, you're kidding me right now. Like really? How do you say welcome in Spanish? You don't know Spanish?
I had like half a semester, but...
Okay. I only know gracias. Muchas gracias.
And ¿cómo estás? That's how are you?
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo estás? In our language is ¿cómo está? Philippines. Yeah. You are, I mean, in Vienna it's German, right? Dankeschön? Dankeschön, is it right?
Yeah.
Is that thank you?
Yeah.
Okay, Dankeschön. Yeah, I got it right. Dankeschön. Should I say thank you?
Most people say just danke.
Danke?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, Dankeschön is more formal. But with regular people, Danke. Danke. Okay, got it. Good thing the bird didn't poop on my cookie, and then I'll eat it. Oh my gosh. What a luck. Lucky day. Oo, ako.